Hey everybody, how are you guys? I'm finally back from my little break that I had. I mean, I wouldn't really call it a break, but I had a lot of projects to work on, a lot of stuff I needed to get done. So now I'm finally back. I don't really know if I will be keeping my posts consistent, but the first thing that I do want to talk about is the market crash that we recently had. It was actually worse than the FTX crash, if you guys remembered. So that's a little something I want to go through, and I also have a special opportunity that I have for you guys if you watch till the end of this video. Now, if you have a lot of money invested, either you're scared or completely fucking lost on what is actually going on. Now, for those smart investors, you guys know this is just a minor correct. I mean, I wouldn't really call it minor, but let's say it is a correction. And we're gonna go through this in this video. And I will also tell you guys how you can actually predict these crashes and avoid the losses in them. I'm also gonna tell you guys why this crash actually happened. So make sure you stick till the end. So with that said, I want you guys to actually focus on this. Let's hop into CoinMarketCap and I'll show you guys everything. So we're gonna take Sui here as the best example. For those that are new, I called this coin at 60 cents. We made a clean 7x on those that have watched my channel from the start. So congratulations to you guys. But let's put that aside. It surged to $5.2 and now we've seen a dip to 2.8. That's, I think, almost a 50% dip in just a couple weeks, which is pretty bad, honestly. But now, how do you actually avoid this? It's actually pretty simple. Instead of holding through these dips that you see here, let me actually zoom this in for you. Instead of holding through these dips that you see, like for example this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one as well, you're gonna want to take profits, because these early buyers such as me and a lot of you guys that also put your money into this, obviously you won't be holding through the entire bull run, but you will be taking profits, and that's what us smart investors do. So instead of holding through these dips and saying as soon as it dips, haha, it's gonna go back up, yeah, it keeps doing that, but eventually a time will come when that little dip just won't stop, just like this one, for example. And I've talked about this in my previous videos and some of you guys still haven't listened. Keep that in mind for the next bull run, and once this correction happens, actually take profits, because this bull run won't last forever and you're gonna definitely want to keep some profits. Hey, I just want to put a little something in between here. If you are looking for smarter ways to manage your crypto, whether the market is in a bull run or in a bear market, Cryptonomy has you covered. They are a UK-based lending, venture fund and trading platform with over $6.1 billion in reserve and over 1 million users. They also offer staking rewards up to 180% APY and access to over 650 tradable assets. Now, if the market is bullish, Cryptonomy helps you capitalize your daily profits with spot holdings, and if the market is in a bear market, you can stake and accumulate crypto while also waiting for a correction or a rebound. I also personally decided to test their platform, and I'll walk you through how easy it actually is to use this. So as you can see, this is my account. As soon as you sign up, you just deposit some funds into your wallet. Then all you have to do is click fixed staking. This means that you can earn passive income by locking in these tokens or coins. For example, I'm gonna use Ethereum. You also have the option to take the monthly interest. However, it does lower the annual rate, so I won't be doing that for my example, and I will be doing a 0.5 Ethereum for 12 months, which is a 76.9% return. Now, if you tick the monthly interest box, it's also going to automatically transfer everything to your wallet each month, but I will tick this off just for this example. And as I said, I'm gonna go with a 12-month option and 77 or 76.9% return. All you do then is click continue, tick this box and click create. Then the request has been sent. As you can see now, when you click on fixed, it's gonna say Ethereum, 0.5 Ethereum. In this case, it's $1,300 and an interest rate of 77% or 76.9%, and the status is active. You can also view more details here. Now, let's go to margin trading. This allows you to take advantage on market moves with no limits on profits. Now, for this example, I'm gonna do H bar. Here you can select the leverage. And as you can see, as the leverage goes on, there's a higher minimum expected profit on your investment. So starting off with 1x is 56%. 56.8. If we go to 5x, it's 94. 10x is 111. 140 at 50x and 170 at 100x. But as you can see, the risk level also increases. I would honestly recommend to keep it at 5x. It's still at very low risk, while also giving you a 94% minimum expected return. Again, minimum. You have to keep in mind that this is pretty much just affected by market fluctuations. And then once you click open position, it's gonna show up the same as it is showing up on the fixed staking option. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of put this in. I'm gonna leave all of the links in the description. You guys can check this out and some more information about Cryptonomy, which you can check yourself as well. So back to the video. So don't just hold, actually take profits when you are in profit. But why did this dip happen? Well, it's pretty simple. It's about politics. If you guys have heard of Trump, he has restricted some stuff strictly for China and some other countries, which I won't talk about in this video because I don't want to get into politics too much. But it pretty much happened because of Trump. A pretty simple answer. Now, is it gonna bounce back up? I'm pretty confident that it will. I have sold pretty much everything here at 4.3, but I have bought in again at 2.9, and I'm definitely gonna be holding this through this correction that's gonna happen. And I'm honestly expecting a price on Sui to be around $7, while also pulling up a lot of other tokens and coins as well. And I think a similar correction will happen that happened to Bitcoin in the previous bull run. So the price surged, a pretty big dip just like this one, and then the price surged back to its previous all-time high. And I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the case in this bull run as well. At least for Sui, that's the coin I'm most invested in. So I think it's gonna surge back up to $5.3. Potentially it could go to 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 or $15, but I'm probably not gonna be holding that long. It's almost March, it's almost April. And that's when I'm gonna be selling. I already told you guys that I will be selling in March to April in a couple videos back, and I definitely stand by that. Unless a lot of stuff changes in my projects and overall in the crypto market. I think you guys have caught the news that BlackRock and a lot of other institutions and companies are starting to reinvest their money from Ethereum over to Bitcoin, and I think that is pretty bullish. And the reason for that is the following. If you guys watch my videos, you know that alt season has multiple phases. First is that Bitcoin pumps, and then pump the altcoins in Ethereum. Don't judge my work, I'm not an artist. And that's because money from Bitcoin gets reinvested to Ethereum and altcoins, and these ones pump. And then after altcoins pump the top 100 coins, then come the mid caps, and then come the memes. I've already talked about this in some of my previous videos, as I have said, but a lot of you guys just don't seem to listen. So what I think is gonna happen, as I've said, I think this is just a pretty big correction, and we will definitely be seeing a market pump. But I think we are in the last leg of the bull run, and you should definitely be taking profits, as I said. Is the market bullish for the next couple of months? Definitely. But as I said, take profits. So that's it for this video. I just want to keep it as short as possible and kind of update you guys. Again, I'm not sure if I will be posting much more on this channel, as I am quite short on time. Honestly, I have a lot of stuff to work on, but if I do manage, I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure to subscribe and prepare for something big. Thanks for watching, guys.